Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. This isn't a normal video. Just a quick update. Got a bunch of product reviews coming to the channel soon. McCedar headphone review coming soon. Probably gonna do an AirPods review. Got some AirPods right here. Pretty solid. This is the McCedar box came in today. Also want to do a review on my new action camera, which I'll show you guys. Right here, got a little action camera. Look at that. So yeah, guys, got this cool new 4K action camera right here. If you guys just want to check that out. Kawhi. Julian Edelman, dominant player. Also, guys, I'm interested in doing a kind of like a comparison between like PC, Xbox, and PS4 when it comes to gaming, because I know it's a huge controversial topic that's going around. So yeah, guys, got a bunch of videos planned for the future. All these reviews coming. If you guys have any reviews, leave them in the comment section down below. If you have any video suggestions, hit me with those too. I'm all ears. Got a bunch of cool stuff coming in. Company sending me stuff. It's awesome, man. Appreciate you guys watching my videos too. You guys are the best. That being said, guys, thanks so much for supporting the channel. Thanks so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you want that free shout out, just use my Fortnite supporter creator code. Can't speak. Like this video, subscribe, turn notifications so you guys get notified exactly when I upload. Like that, it'll send you a notification instantly. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.